Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of the OpenEduCat. In this session, I am going to show you how purchase module will helpful to any educational institute. As an owner of any educational institute, I have to handle many responsibilities. Improving purchase is one of them. Doing that work on paper or Excel maybe reduce our work efficiency. Then let's see how purchase module will helpful to us. For that, let's log in into the system using my username and password. I am entering my username and password. Click on the login. Click on the main menu and click on the purchase to enter into the purchase. Now I am in the database of any purchase. I am giving one scenario that I am an owner of any educational institute. Maybe it's a college, school or university. But now I have a requirement of the blackboard and the customizable tasks. So what I will do? I will contact some vendor. So in purchase module, first step is to create that vendor. Second, that create that products. Third, create the RFQ, means request for quotation, and fourth one is create the bill. I am going to discuss all four steps one by one. Let's first create the vendor name. For that, click on this orders and click on this vendors. I am going to create that vendor name. Click on this. I am going to enter that individual. It's David Smith. I am going to add his email ID. Its phone number, its mobile number, and I am going to save this information. That first step, that how to create that vendor name is cleared. Now let's jump to the second step, that how to create the products. For the demo purpose, I am creating only the two products, which is the blackboard and the second is the customizable task. So products, click on this create. I am going to enter that product name. I am going to add that internal reference also. I am selecting that product type. If you want to add that sales price, cost and company, you can do. I am going to save this. Again, I am going to add the another product, which is customizable desk. Which is the very important for any institute. I am going to add that internal reference. I am going to select that product type and going to save this product. Means two products, that is the blackboard and customizable task, is already cleared. Now the third step, that how to create that RFQ. It's very easy. For that, click on this order and click on this request for quotation. I am going to create it. So click on this create. I have to select that vendor name. I am going to select that David Smith. If you want to add the vendor reference, then you can. Order date, company. Now I am going to add these two products, which are the blackboard and the customizable desk. For that, click on this add product. I am going to select that product. For that, you have to select that blackboard. I am going to select it. Now it's a quantity 1. I am going to add another product. For that, click on this search more and it's blackboard. By default, that quantity is 1. If I want to modify it, then I can. There is a requirement of the blackboard and there is a requirement of customizable tasks, which are also 5. I have seen their catalog and I know what is the price of that blackboard and the customizable desk. So I am going to add it. Price of blackboard is the 199 and this is the 750 and there is tax also, and I am going to save it. Means next step, that how to create the RFQ is already cleared. Now I am going to send that mail to vendor only. So click on this send by email. Wow, one pop-up window is there in which already email template is there. You can use that email template, and if you want to modify it, then you can. I am going to click on this send. You can see that the status is changed from RFQ to RFQ send. You can see this in chatterbox also. In chatterbox, you can see the body of email and you can see the PDF of RFQ. I am going to download it. This PDF is already downloaded. Here you can see the copy of PDF also. Now let's jump to again our main module. After downloading that PDF, now what's the next step? The vendor is ready to sell that products. So I am going to click on this confirm order. Now our order is confirmed and the status is changed from RFQ send to purchase order, and now I am going to receive this product and blackboard and customizable desk. So I am click on this receive products. When I will click on this receive product, one receipt will be generated. Then I have to edit that receipt or validate that receipt. So I am going to click on this validate. So one notification is there in which they are asking about that demand quality is done quantity or not. If I am not doing any editing, then that system consider that the demand quantity is already done quantity. So I am going to click on this apply. Now they consider that I am asking for the 5 blackboard and the 5 customizable tasks only. This is the next step which is I am going to cover. Now let's jump to the purchase order which is generated here. So click on this purchase order. Here there is a purchase order is there. What is the next step? That next step is that I have to create the bill and I have to pay that amount to that vendor only. So now I am going to click on this create bill. That bill is already created. That blackboard, its label, its quantity, its unit price, total, customizable task, and all information are in this bill. So I am going to post this bill. I am going to register payment it. Now I am click on this validate. Now that green ribbon with paid tag comes. In this way we can purchase any important things which require for any educational institute. That's all with this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for such more learning videos. To try our free demo, you can visit our website www.openeducate.org. Thank you so much.